Hello, everyone! Welcome to the Magic Python channel. We are continuing our series of short videos on learning PySpark. In the previous video, we figured out what Apache Spark is and why we need it. Today, we will immediately start working like real data engineers through Databricks. We won't be installing anything locally. Everything will run directly in the browser, just like it does in real companies. In this video, we will register with Databricks, create our first notebook, understand what SparkSession is, and run our first Spark code. Before we begin, let's briefly review what Databricks is. Databricks is a platform for working with Spark in the cloud. It allows you to write PySpark code, build ETL pipelines, analyze big data, work with Delta Lake, and run production processes. Many data engineering teams work through Databricks, so we will be using it from the very beginning. Open your browser and go to the Databricks website. Before we go to the platform itself, I want to show you where you can sign up. I'll put that link below. You can just click on it. You can create an account and log in. They don't require any credit card information. You just log in and you're good to go. You can sign up for the free version. Create a free account by clicking on Try Databricks. You can do this with Google, a Microsoft account, or just your email. I'm going to log in with my Google account. Click Continue. We have the free version, and all I have to do is indicate where I'm from. So, this is the Magic Python channel, and we're from the US. Let's continue and click Continue, and just like that, we've signed up for the free version of Databricks. After signing up, you'll be taken to the home page, then move on to the workspace. This is your working environment. Don't worry if the interface looks complicated. Find the Create or New button in the menu, select Notebook. After creation, a notebook will open. This is where we will write code, name it, for example, Magic Python Lesson 2, Language, Python. Before executing the code, we need a cluster. A cluster is a group of machines that perform calculations. The free edition usually comes with a ready-made cluster. Once the cluster is up and running, we can execute the code. And now, a very important point. In regular PySpark, we manually create SparkSession. But in Databricks, SparkSession is already created automatically. It is available through the variable Spark. This means that we can start working right away. Let's write the first line of code. Spark.range 10 closing parenthesis dot show. What is happening here? Spark creates a data frame with numbers from 0 to 9 and displays the result in a table. If you see the result, it means that your Spark is working correctly. And this is your first Spark launch in Databricks. When you click Run, the code is sent to Spark Driver. Driver creates an execution plan. Executors perform calculations. And the result is returned to the notebook. You don't need to think about the infrastructure. Databricks does everything automatically. To summarize, so today we registered with Databricks, created a notebook, understood that SparkSession already exists, and executed our first Spark code. In the next video, we will create our first data frame, add columns, and start working with data for real. Before we finish, here's a little homework assignment. I want you to not just look at the code, but actually execute it yourself. Sign up for Databricks if you haven't already. Create your own notebook in Databricks, execute the command spark.range 20 closing parenthesis dot show. Then change the number 20 to 100. Think about it, what exactly does spark.range create? Write in the comments, what type of object does spark.range return? How is it different from the usual Python range? Subscribe to the Magic Python channel and see you in the next video.